questions. Look at the answers. Now see, the first was, my brother is dash, he never shares anything with me. So options were generous, lazy, selfish. If someone is not sharing anything, so he is generous, lazy, or selfish. Obviously, he is lazy. Okay, selfish. Very good. When my friend is dash, she bites her nails. Outgoing, nervous, bad-tempered. So if someone is biting the nail, she is nervous. Good. Noor Noshi, very good. Then I am dash that I can pass the exam. If there is a confusion or if there is a doubt, or you are uh, clear that you have worked hard, you can pass the exam. What the correct answer would be? Okay, confident. I'm not very dash on playing basketball. Very good. Keen. Heather Suhail. Good. Shamaya. Good. Aris, you're doing well. Okay. The next one is, we dash like playing table tennis. Answer is both. Good. I'm not dash if I can go to the party on Saturday. Sure. Number 6 is, sure. I'm not sure if I can go to the party Saturday. I am really dash of spiders. I'm really frightened. Good. Yes, Shumaya, it is right. Frightened. Number 8 is, the book I am reading is very dash. The book I am reading is very interesting. Good. Number 9 is, last night the fireworks display was, it is the situation, it is amazing. The firework display was amazing. I love dash the violin. I love playing. Very good. Good answer, Heather Suhail and Shumaya. Both of you are doing very well. Okay, Luis won a gold medal in the swimming race. He is a dash swimmer. He's a champion swimmer. Good. You all did very well. Okay, now we have to come to the new unit. We have finished the first one, and whole of the work that we did in the online classes and the worksheet I had given to you, all are included in your syllabus. Okay, so you have to keep on revising all the things. The new unit we are going to start is unit number 2, staying healthy. Okay, children, I just want to know, as our topic is staying healthy, I would like to ask you how you are feeling. How you are feeling. Are you feeling fresh and energetic today? Or you are feeling tired? I'm talking about your physical health. Okay, good. Heather Suhail, you are fresh. Did you sleep well? Okay, if you have taken a good sleep, it means you are feeling well, energetic, and you are ready to start the new lesson. Okay. I just want to know, do you think health is the most important thing in our life? If so, then why? Write your answer in the chat box. Okay, yes. Why? Why life it is important? If okay, not light beta. Okay, this is Heather Farouk. So you didn't sleep well. So it's mean you are not fresh enough because of the electricity problem. But I am asking you, if the health is important thing in the life, why it is important? What do you think? Okay, very good, Heather Suhail. Yes, it maintains our work and physical health. Uh, yes, no, Noor. Yes, if you have good health, you can do anything. Okay. See, if we are unhealthy and sick, we cannot fully enjoy life. We cannot go out and play. We cannot sleep well, or we cannot enjoy our favorite food. Obviously, doctor won't allow you to eat your favorite food. They will ask you to go for the some soft diets, and in fact you might have to take weird medicines with strange taste. Do you like medicines? Do you like to take medicines? Okay, no, you don't like. So are you taking care of your health, especially in these days when there is a viral infection spread all over the world? Are you taking the precautions? Are you following the SOPs? Are you using your hands, wearing your mask, and keeping the house clean? Okay, good, very good, children, very good. Okay, I just want to know, uh, when were you last ill? When were you last ill? December. Okay, Heather Suhail. 4 months ago. Okay, before coronavirus. I hope so. All of you are safe in this from this coronavirus. I am tomorrow. What does it mean, Hamna? I can't understand this thing. Last week, Abu Bakr Zishan. Last week, what happened? So, what was your illness? Okay, you are not feeling well today. What happened? Tell me about your illness, Hamna. Uzefa, tummy ache problem. Why you had that tummy ache problem? Okay, let's see. Okay, when we get sick, where do we go? We go to a doctor. Now I just want to know what the first question doctor asks you when you go to a doctor. What is the first question doctor asks? Good. What is your illness? Yes, Heather Suhail. He asks about the symptoms. Okay, first of all, the doctor asks you about your illness, and then he asks you about the symptoms, how you are feeling. Very good. Very good. Okay, children. I just want to know, are you ill in summer or in winter? Are you more ill in summer or in winter? There are children, those who get sick in, mostly get sick in summer. There are children, those who get sick in winter. Shuham, don't raise the hand. Just write your answer in the chat box. Are you more ill in summer or in winter? Okay, summer. So, okay, most of the children are saying that they got sick in winter. Okay. Now I just want to know, how do you feel when you are ill? Do you feel low and weak? Okay, tired. Why? Why you got bad tempered? Huh? It bad tempered means you get angry. Okay, lazy, tired. Okay, you it's mean you feel low. Okay, children. We will move to our lesson. Now you can see there are some pictures. You can see it is on page number 20. There are some common illness these people have. Which of these illness have you had? The one is coughing, the other is sneezing, and then someone has headache. The doctor is checking the throat, tummy. The other one is feeling tummy ache and or maybe fever. Fever. Yes, Yusra, headache. Cough and sneezing, Heather. Okay. Okay, children. We are going to move to our now see there are some of the illness they have written. You have to match them with the pictures. Now they have given you they have marked the pictures with A, B, C, and D. So you have to put the vocabulary with the correct picture. Okay, first is a sore throat. Who has a sore throat? Which one? A, B, C, D, E, F. Which one has a sore throat? Yes, Shumaya, good. That is D. Very good. The girl has sore throat and the doctor is examining the throat. Okay. Now a cold. Which one has the cold? Cold. Cold. Look at who is sneezing. Who has a runny nose? Yes, Noor Noshi. Good. B. Shaviz. B. Very good, children. Now come to the next one. So B1 is suffering with cold. A. Sorry, a cough. Who is coughing? Which one is coughing? Yes, sir. Abu Bakr Zishan. A1 is coughing. Okay, now come to the next one. That is the vocabulary given to you is earache. Is there any picture? Huh? Can you see a person with earache? Okay, Maha. Very good, Maha. No one is with earache. Okay, look at the next one, a fever. Is there someone having fever? Okay, see, very good. Now, a headache. Which one is with the headache? E, good. Okay, now the last one is stomachache. That is F. Okay, now I'm going to play the track for you. You have to listen it very carefully, as there is some exercises we have to do.
Track 8. 1. Hello, Maria. What's the matter?
Well, I've got a stomachache and I feel sick.
How long has it been hurting you?
Since yesterday afternoon when I came back from my friend's party.
What did you eat?
I ate a few sandwiches, some crisps, and 2 large slices of chocolate cake.
Well, it sounds to me like you ate too much chocolate cake. You need to drink lots of water today and no chocolate. 2. Hello, Abdul. What seems to be the matter?
I've got a sore throat and I've lost my voice.
Yes, I can hear. Let's have a look at your throat. Say ah.
Ah.
Yes, it's very red. Does it hurt when you swallow?
Yes, it does.
Well, you need to drink a lot of liquids and take this medicine twice a day. 3. Hello, Maya. What's the matter?
I feel very cold and I keep shivering.
Well, I think you have a cold and a fever. Let me take your temperature. Open your mouth and put the thermometer under your tongue. Oh yes, 38.5. You'll need to take this medicine every 4 hours and drink lots of water and fruit juices. 4. Hello, Jess. What's wrong?
Well, I keep sneezing all the time, and I got earache too.
Have you been coughing?
No, I haven't. But I feel dizzy, and I've got a very blocked nose.
Okay, you are dizzy because of the earache and you've got a cold. You need to keep warm, rest, and drink lots of water. I'll give you some medicine for the earache.
Okay, I hope so that you have heard that conversation of doctor and the patients. And you must have read the script. So I just want to know each speaker suffering from. Now there was, the first speaker was Maria. So what was her illness? Don't talk about copy and other thing. Just focus on the work with Maria. Tell me about her illness. Huh? Okay. The correct answer is yes, sir. Okay. The second. No, Mario. Second speaker. The second patient was Abdul. What is his illness? Not headache. And children, please come with your correct name. Otherwise, the school will block you. Okay, that is sore throat. The third patient was Maya. The third patient was Maya. Very good. This one is Chavez. Very good. Heather Suhail also. That Maya was suffering from cold and fever. Okay, the last one is Jesse. Jess is suffering from earache. Very good. Okay, you did very well. Okay, now these are some of the symptoms given to you, and you have to point out the sickness and the symptoms. Okay, you all have the CD. Play it again and listen it carefully. Okay, the symptoms are, you have to point out the symptoms. You have heard the CD. The first one is tummy hurts. Okay. The second one is, okay, low voice. The symptom was low voice. Okay. Number 3 is yes, shivering. Symptoms were shivering, sweating, or head hurt. Okay, number 4, that is blocked nose. Okay, these were the symptoms you have heard in the conversation. Now I'm going to give you a homework. You can get this homework on your WhatsApp group, right? They will upload and you can get it from there. Okay, you have to categorize the sickness and the symptoms. The first they have done for you, that is, if you have a sore throat, the symptom is lost voice, right? Lost voice. Okay, now this is your homework. You have to find out the illness and the symptoms. You have to categorize them. Is it clear to you? You can do it in English A copy. Both of the work you can do it in English A copy, right? As it is all about your text. It is not a grammar work, right? Okay, is there any other question? Okay, I want you to come with your correct name as we are marking your attendance also. And if we don't know who's the person, so obviously we can't mark your present. Okay. Okay, there are some of the in the box they had given you some of the sickness and their symptoms. you have to categorize them. Clear? It should be done, this work should be done in English, a copy. This page is regarding to that CD. You all have the CD in your books. If you have missed that less part, then you can play your CD. You can listen to track number 8, and you can solve that quiz in your book, page number 20. It is a very easy one. Is it clear to you? Is there any question? Okay, you can see the worksheet in front of you. So you have to do it in your English A copy. Okay, Shayan, everything is clear now? Work was to you have some of the pictures they had given you on page number 20, and in the box you can see they have written some of the illness. You have to tell which picture goes with the correct illness with the picture. Clear? Children, this is CD1, okay, track 8. Beta, if your CD is not working, you can go to YouTube, and they are uploading all these lessons there. You can find that one over there, right? And you can listen it again. And please, children, keep on listening them again and keep on revising your work. Okay, sir. Sir Hanuk, are you listening to me? Hello, Sir Hanuk. सर हनूक अनम्यूट करें अपने आप को.
Yes, teacher, now I can hear you. Thank you very much, teacher. Okay, can you make me the host so that I can start the recording?
Yes, sir, I'm making.
Okay, thank you very much. Thank you.
Okay, sir.
You too. Thank you. Peace be with you all, dear students. I hope all of you can hear me.